Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeast Maryland, Queen Anne County in northeast Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This line was approaching the western shore of Chesapeake Bay and was moving east at around 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Romancook, Tilghman Island, Stevensville, Chester, Talbot, Overton, St. Michael's, Graysonville, Newtown, Copperville, Oxford, Langford, Oldtown, Betterton, Chestertown, Wye Mills, Centerville, Easton, Skipton, Hamilton, Trapp, Stocky Corner, Mortnack, Kennedyville, Star, Carville, Churchill, Cordova, Hope, 10 Yard, Windy Hill, Queen Anne, Matthews, Crumpton, Choptank, Jumptown, Griffin, Preston, Ridgely, Oakland, Harmony, Sudlersville, Millington, Massey, Sassafras, Denton, Greensboro, Goldsboro, Anna, Fettlesburg, and Smithville. These are dangerous storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne, and Talbot. Strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free